The first part of the tutorial serves as an introduction to WordPress, presenting it as a widely embraced open-source content management system, CMS. Noting its origins as a blogging platform, the narrative emphasizes WordPress's evolution into a versatile tool for website creation, management, and customization. This initial section lays the groundwork for the tutorial, outlining the platform's fundamental capabilities and positioning it as a user-friendly solution for individuals with varying levels of coding expertise. WordPress Overview and Benefits, a brief tutorial. Introduction to WordPress. WordPress is a popular open-source content management system, CMS, that allows users to create, manage, and customize websites without extensive coding knowledge. Originally designed as a blogging platform, it has evolved into a versatile CMS used for various types of websites. Content management with WordPress. Simplified content creation. User-friendly editor. WordPress offers a straightforward, block-based editor that allows users to create and edit content with ease. No coding required. Beginners can create compelling posts and pages without any coding knowledge, thanks to the intuitive interface. Efficient content editing. Visual and text editor. Users have the flexibility to switch between a visual editor, WYSIWYG, and a text editor for more advanced formatting. Drafts and revisions. Save drafts and track revisions to content, enabling easy review and rollback to previous versions. Organized content structure. Categories and tags. Organize content with categories and tags, helping visitors navigate and find relevant information. Hierarchical structure. Create a hierarchical structure with parent and child pages for a well-organized website. Ideal for various websites. Blogs. WordPress originated as a blogging platform, offering all the necessary tools for bloggers to create and share their content effectively. Business websites. Well suited for businesses, WordPress provides a platform to showcase products, services, and company information with customizable pages. Online portfolios. Individuals, artists, photographers, and freelancers can display their work through customizable portfolio pages, making a strong online presence. Collaboration and user roles. User roles assign different roles, e.g., author, editor, administrator, to team members based on their responsibilities. Collaboration. Multiple users can contribute to the website, with varying levels of access and permissions. Media management. Image and media handling. Easily upload, manage, and insert images and multimedia content into posts and pages. Media library. Centralized media library for quick access to all uploaded files. SEO-Friendly. Permalinks and SEO options. Create search engine-friendly URLs, permalinks, and optimize content with built-in SEO options. XML sitemaps. Automatically generated XML sitemaps improve search engine discoverability. Responsive design. Mobile optimization. WordPress themes are designed to be responsive, ensuring a seamless experience across various devices. Mobile editing. Content can be edited and managed from mobile devices, offering flexibility to users on the go. Extensibility with plugins. Plugin ecosystem. A vast array of plugins allows users to extend functionality, adding features like contact forms, e-commerce, and social media integration. Custom post types. Create and manage custom post types tailored to specific content needs. In summary, WordPress's robust content management system provides an intuitive platform for users to create, edit, and organize content efficiently, making it versatile for blogs, business websites, and online portfolios. Its user-friendly nature and extensive features empower both beginners and experienced users to build and manage their online presence effectively. WordPress.com and self-hosted WordPress.org are two different platforms for creating and managing websites using the WordPress Content Management System, CMS. Here are the key differences between them. Hosting. WordPress.com. Hosting is provided by WordPress.com. Your website will be hosted on their servers, and you don't need to worry about server maintenance or technical aspects of hosting. WordPress.org, you need to find and pay for your own hosting provider to host your website. This gives you more control over your hosting environment, but it also means you have to handle server-related tasks. Domain. WordPress.com. Your domain will be a subdomain of WordPress.com, e.g., yourwebsite.wordpress.com, unless you purchase a custom domain. WordPress.org. You have the flexibility to choose and register your own domain name. Customization. WordPress.com. Limited customization options, especially if you are on a free plan. To access more advanced customization features, you may need to upgrade to a paid plan. WordPress.org. Full control over customization. You can use custom themes, plugins, and make changes to the code to create a highly customized website. Themes and plugins. WordPress.com. Limited selection of themes, and you can only use the plugins provided by WordPress.com. WordPress.org. You have access to a vast library of free and premium themes and can install any plugin to extend the functionality of your website. Monetization. WordPress.com. Ads may be displayed on your site unless you upgrade to a paid plan. However, you cannot place your own ads until you are on a business plan. WordPress.org. You have full control over how you monetize your website. You can run your own ads, join ad networks, and implement various monetization strategies without restrictions. Maintenance and updates. WordPress.com. WordPress.com takes care of updates, backups, and security. WordPress.org. You are responsible for maintaining your website, including installing updates, performing backups, and ensuring security. Cost. WordPress.com offers free plans with limited features. Paid plans are available with more features, and the cost increases with additional functionalities. WordPress.org. The WordPress software is free, but you'll need to pay for hosting, domain registration, and any premium themes or plugins you choose to use. In summary, if you want simplicity and don't want to deal with hosting and technical aspects, WordPress.com might be suitable. If you prefer full control, customization options, and are willing to handle hosting responsibilities, then WordPress.org is the better choice. The conclusion of the tutorial provides a summary of the key features and benefits of WordPress as a robust content management system. It underscores WordPress's intuitive platform for efficient content creation, organization, and customization, catering to a diverse range of websites, from blogs to business sites and online portfolios. The first part sets the stage by introducing the platform, while the subsequent detailed information in the second part delves into specific aspects such as content management, collaboration, media handling, SEO friendliness, responsive design, and extensibility through plugins. Overall, the tutorial emphasizes WordPress's versatility and user-friendly nature, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users to effectively build and manage their online presence.